Okay, application problem time. You guys know the drill. First thing you do when you see any kind of problem like this, you're gonna RDW. Now, just because my application problem looks a little different today does not mean I'm gonna get away from doing my RDW. There isn't a story involved, but this is still a math problem we have to solve. So first step, I gotta read it. That's gonna stay the same regardless of what this is about. Use the 5 plus something, break apart and distribute strategy to solve 6 times 8. Model with a tape diagram. All right, I read that like a reader. I made sure I knew the words. Now it's time to read this like a mathematician. Use the 5 plus something, break apart and distribute strategy. Oh boy, 5 plus something. I'm going to highlight 5 plus because I know I'm going to be using 5 plus something. Break apart. Wait a minute. Break apart. Oh, decompose. I know that. I'm going to use my break apart or decompose and distribute. Remember we talked about the word distribute means to give, to pass out, to like pass things out, to distribute. And distribute strategy to solve 6 times 8. So I know this is my problem. That's what I'm trying to solve, but I need to do it a specific way. I'm going to model with a tape diagram. Oh boy, I better highlight tape diagram so I don't forget to use that. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check off my reading because I did that. I read this like a reader and a mathematician. Now it's time to draw. So I'm going to draw a tape diagram because that's what my directions tell me. I'm going to do a tape diagram just like this. Now I know I am modeling 6 groups of 8. 6 groups of 8. So I can go ahead and just do that now. I need 6 groups in my tape diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what number is going to go in each of those boxes? That's right. You guessed it. 8. Because I'm doing 6 times 8. All right. Now what I need to do is I need to look back up here and I need to figure out this 5 plus something break apart and distribute strategy. Now, I am going to put a little guy under here. And I am going to look back at my problem and see that it says 5 plus something. I'm going to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to draw an imaginary cut line right there. And I'm going to show that this is 5 groups of 8. There's my 5. And this is 1 group of 8. And if I put my 5 plus 1, that gives me 6. Am I done yet? Not quite. What I'm going to do now is I need to figure out what 5 times 8 is and what 1 times 8 is. Okay, so here is my drawing. Check. Now I need to do my writing or my math. I need to get my answer figured out. Okay, I know that 5 times 8, that is 40. And I know that 1 times 8, that's 8. Okay, so I know that 6 times 8 equals 48. Because 4 plus 8 equals 48. Bada boom.